All right, good morning. So I wanted to show you how to schedule content across Facebook and Instagram. So if you're managing a Facebook and Instagram account, the first thing you need to do, the first thing I think you need to do is to merge the accounts, right? Is to merge your Instagram and Facebook account so that they are in one place. And by Facebook account, I don't mean your normal Facebook profile. I'm talking about your the page you're managing because it's going to be a page that you're managing and not a profile. I'm supposing. So these are all the pages I manage for myself and some clients, right? So I'm just going, this is my main page, and I'm going to be showing you um how to navigate to a tool called the Meta Business Suite. So it's in Meta Business Suite that you're going to be able to manage all that, right? You're going to be able to manage and plan content. So if the page is looking like this, all you just need to do is to come down here. Okay, I'm actually using a laptop, so I don't know how it's going to look like if you're using a phone. But if you're using a laptop, this is how it's going to look like. So just come here and click on Meta Business Suite. All right. Click on Meta Business Suite, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do. So this is how Meta Business Suite looks like, and you can see that my page, my pages are merged, right? My Facebook page and my Instagram pages are merged. So it makes it easy to actually plan content across board. So you can see now that we have different menus here. We have notifications, we have inbox, post, and so from this place you can actually post content. You can create, and you can also boost your post like let's say for instance you're trying to grow those accounts, right, and you just want to show it to more people. You can boost your post here, and you can by running it's an ad actually, right? They are actually ads. When you boost the post, you're actually running a paid campaign, but it's not on a deeper level, it's just on the surface level, you know. So to plan your content, just click on this planner here. So these are some of my posts um that have gone by, right? So because I usually plan my content so that it makes everything easy for you, so that even when you're not there, the content is just going off and engagement is also going on those accounts, right? So to plan to schedule a content, you have already written it out. All you just need to do is to come to this place. So the day, so there are different days, right? There is Sunday, sorry, there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and all. So let's say, for instance, you're starting to plan your content on Sunday evening. So you just go to Sunday, and then let's say this is Sunday, you just go to Sunday and then you click on schedule, right? Then click on schedule post. Click on schedule post, and then it will take you to the place where you can enter the content. So you can enter the time here. What time do you want the post to be going out? Do you want to go out around 10 or around 7? You know, Facebook is going to be suggesting to you the time that your audience is going to be most active. So anyone you want to go with, just go with that, and then click on save. And then um here it's going to be ticked off as only Facebook. So you have to mark Instagram as well. If you want the post to go up on Instagram, then just enter all the content you want to enter here. Then add your picture, add the photo or the image that you want to use the alongside the what's it called? The content. And then any other thing you want to put here, just put, and then you can preview the content here. Once you're done, this list will turn blue, and then you can click on schedule. So you can do that for every day all through the week, and you can actually schedule as many posts as possible within a day, right? So that's about scheduling posts. You know, when it comes to managing social media accounts, it's always better you schedule your posts. If not, you might have you might get overwhelmed at the end of the day, right? So for Twitter, I really, yeah, okay, to schedule posts for Twitter, You can't schedule post on your mobile phone. If you're using a mobile phone, you can only schedule post on Twitter with a laptop device, all right? And scheduling just makes everything the more easier, especially if you have other things to do. So that's one integral part of managing social media content. That is that is actually very, very important. You need to learn how to schedule your post. Yeah, so that's basically it. That was what I, so if you want to create ads, that one is on a deeper level, really. And I may not be able to show you that here, but yeah. So you just want to ensure that you're also, to grow those accounts, you have to ensure that you're also um using hashtags, right? You're using hashtags to get wind of how to use hashtags, especially on Instagram. You might have to just go on YouTube and research on how to use hashtags, because hashtags helps you to also reach more people in your audience. And then you also have to engage on other people's posts to also boost your own engagement, so that people would, start to like it will help your visibility, to help the visibility of the pages you're like trying to manage, especially on Twitter. This is very, very important for Twitter, because Twitter, for the most part, you'll be doing organic growth, because um if you want to grow on Twitter, there is no other way. You just have to ensure that you're commenting, like you have to be commenting ruthlessly on other people's accounts, especially on bigger accounts, all right? Yeah, so that's basically it for social media management. Then I would also advise that you go on YouTube and research videos on how to manage social media accounts. You would get a lot of resources that would be helpful, right? Yeah, so that's basically it. I hope this helps. Okay.